In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a GoDaddy website. Whether you're looking to temporarily take your site offline or make some significant updates without showing them live, unpublishing your website can be a very straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you know how to do this quickly and efficiently. Let's jump right in. The first step is to navigate to your GoDaddy product page. To get there, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of the products and services you have with GoDaddy. What you're looking for here is the section that lists your websites. Locate the specific website you want to unpublish from this list. When you've found it, look for the option that says Edit Website and go ahead and select that. By clicking Edit Website, you're entering the website builder platform where you can make all necessary changes to your site. Once you're in the website builder, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left-hand side or at the top, depending upon your layout, you'll find a menu of options. You'll be searching for the Settings option here. Click on Settings to proceed. This section is where you'll manage the back-end details of your website, including the options to publish or unpublish. Finally, you're in the right place to complete the unpublishing process. You'll notice an option labeled Unpublish. Go ahead and click Unpublish. At this point, GoDaddy might ask you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step ensures that you're making the change intentionally. Once you confirm, the website will be taken offline. It's worth noting that unpublishing your site doesn't delete the content. Your site will still exist within your account, and you can republish it anytime you choose. Taking your website offline can sometimes be a little nerve-wracking, but the process is simple, and it's comforting to know that nothing is deleted. All your data remains intact, ready to go live whenever you decide. This feature is incredibly handy for making changes behind the scenes without disrupting your public presence. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to unpublish your GoDaddy website. This quick and easy procedure gives you the flexibility to manage your online content as you see fit. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore additional resources or contact GoDaddy support for more personalized assistance. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.